Something major just dropped in the world of robotics, and it didn't come from Boston Dynamics, Tesla, or even NVIDIA. It came from HuggingFace. You might be more familiar with its language models and transformer technology rather than its physical machines. But that's about to change. On April 14th, 2025, HuggingFace announced that it has officially acquired Polin Robotics, the makers of the open-source humanoid robot, Ricci 2. And this isn't some side hustle. It's a declaration that HuggingFace is moving beyond digital intelligence and stepping into the world of automation. For context, HuggingFace has been the main source for open-source AI. From hosting massive collections of models to collaborating with every major AI research lab out there, they've been the main source of accessible machine learning. Now they're hopefully bringing that same thing into robotics. I know what you're wondering, so why is this such a big deal? The open source revolution in robotics has begun. Pollen Robotics, based in Bordeaux, France, has been around since 2016 and raised about $2.8 million in venture funding. That's not a huge amount of money by Silicon Valley standards, but enough to build something great. And that something is Reachy 2, a modular, highly dexterous humanoid robot, already in use at places like Carnegie Mellon and Cornell. Yes, it is a hit in these top-class universities. Reachy 2 is not just another robot. It has dual 7-degree of freedom arms, allowing it to perform difficult human-like tasks with impressive precision. Each arm can lift 3 kilograms and manipulate objects smoothly. It runs on ROS2 Foxy and supports VR teleoperation. This means that you can wear a VR, virtual reality headset, and literally see through its cameras while controlling its head and arms in real time. How cool is that? This is not a toy, it's also open source. What does this mean? It means that anyone, educators, researchers, even hobbyists, can work with its code, customize it, or build new capacities without any companies keeping it private. That's a sharp contrast to Tesla's Optimus robot, which is locked down and private. HuggingFace's robotics timeline. This move didn't come out of nowhere. Over the past 2 years, HuggingFace has been quietly improving its robotics game. 2023, they hired a former Tesla Optimus researcher, indicating early intent to get into robotics. May 2024, they launched LeRobot, an open-source robotics software library to simplify robotic development. Late 2024, partnered with French startup Robot Studio to release a $100 robotic arm, a price point so low it sent shockwaves through the maker and education communities. I am surprised just hearing about it, honestly. March 2025, NVIDIA chose HuggingFace to host Groot N1, a humanoid-specific open-source AI model. What's at stake? Tesla's proprietary versus HuggingFace's open. Now we get to the important part, Tesla's Optimus. Elon Musk's vision is of a humanoid servant bot that can do your work, replace workers in factories, or someday change the labor market entirely. Optimus has always dominated headlines, and rightfully so. It's powerful and represents the huge name of private robotics. But it's also locked down. You can't study it, modify it, or innovate with it unless you're inside Tesla. That's where HuggingFace's move becomes so huge. By bringing open source philosophy to robotics, HuggingFace is enabling a global community to build on each other's work, share improvements, and accelerate innovation in ways no single company can match. It's like GitHub versus Apple. And here's the thing, open source often wins the game. Public reaction. This is the king of robots. As the news spread, the online tech community lit up. On Reddit, one user commented, "Tesla better be ready." Another wrote, Finally, robotics is being open source. I can actually teach my kids to build with this. On X, formerly Twitter, an AI researcher posted, "HuggingFace's move into AI is the most exciting thing I've seen in years. Robotics belongs to everyone." And a top comment said it best. "This is what tech should be. Open, collaborative, and driven by curiosity, not just profits." And I agree with this. Technology should not be about profit, but it should be accessible to everyone. Why this really matters? Look beyond the robots for a second. This isn't just about gadgets that can move their arms or hold objects. It's about who gets to be in control of automation and robotics. And here's the thing, Tesla wants to dominate that future. HuggingFace wants to share it with us. The choice between the two isn't just technical, it's common sense. Do we want a world where intelligent machines are built privately, or one where ideas can flow freely, crossing borders and disciplines? I mean, that $100 robotic arm is just an amazing move. I have never heard of any company decreasing their price to this extent. That's an open challenge right there, isn't it? Ricci 2 won't replace Optimus tomorrow, but I don't think HuggingFace even cares. Its power lies in its accessibility. Thousands of students, indie developers, and researchers can now work on real humanoid robotics without waiting for Tesla to let them in. And honestly, if I ever get a chance, I would love to work with these open source robots as well. We all know how big stuff happens in small garages or classrooms. Personal commentary. Why I'm rooting for HuggingFace. Here's the thing. I admire Tesla's engineering. They've pushed boundaries, sparked imagination, and made humanoids cool again. But the future I want isn't one where a handful of billionaires have control of these robots. I like to think of a platform where every curious kid with a laptop and a screwdriver can be a part of the robotics revolution. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe